Want to connect with others on Telegram quickly and effortlessly? Learn how to share your unique Telegram QR code with others in just a few easy steps. For this, go and open Telegram app on your mobile phone. Then click on Settings icon at bottom right corner. Then at top left corner you will find QR code icon. Click on it. This is your QR code and you can share this. You can click on which design you want to share. Then finally click on Share QR code button. Then share it where you like to share. Here I will select Skype and share there. Now that user in Skype can get my QR code. You can share this in other platform like Facebook or Insta as well. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.